Welcome back guys, and this video is related to WhatsApp. What is happening if any WhatsApp message is coming even in the lock screen in front of somebody, he or she may be able to read that message that may be important for you, that may be critical for you, that may be secret message for you. So if you do not want to reveal these informations to anybody in the form of notifications, then what will you do? I am going to discuss in this video. For proceeding further, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel if this video helps you. So not wasting much of your time, what you need to do is go to WhatsApp, go to the setting, and here go to the privacy, and fingerprint lock is there. Just enable it. There are so many settings here, means you want to log it immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes, and in the bottom one thing is written: show content in notifications, preview sender and message text inside new message notifications. If it is on, it will show content in the notification. If it is off, it will not show. So made it off. After that, the notifications will not contain that detailed information about your message. This is all what I wanted to tell you. The second option is also you can block the notifications of the WhatsApp after going into the setting, but I will not suggest that. So if you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.